it's Faye. Today I wanted to film another get ready with me. There's really nothing new to today's agenda. I'm just gonna be chit-chatting. I really like tinted lip balms because I tend to have very pale and dual lips, so I look dead half the time. Really recommend you guys to try this brand, which I'm gonna link everything down below. It's just really good when you have to go out and like do something and then you don't want to look like, you know, dead. By the time you're watching this, I'm actually in LA. Today's contacts. Pink Icon just recently sent me new contacts. This one is in Mellow. Let's see how it looks like. Water content, 42.5%. Okay. I know I keep saying I'm gonna do a contacts video, but then these are very, very soft. And that's good. Oh, by the way, I'm wearing Mina's face on my chest. Her merch will be linked down below so you guys can check it out. Please support my friends. Miss my face. I have like this much left. I really do like this product. All of your vegetables and nutrients that you would put in your body as a mist for your face. The only thing I've noticed about my skin is that I've been discovering eczema. Why do I look funky? Oh my god. I hate when I sleep on my hair a certain way and I want my hair to be a certain way. Oh my oh guys. Let me know if you're experienced with minor eczema on the face. I was talking to Leah the other day and I think she said that it could be triggered due to stress. It just comes here and there. Like one day it'll be there and then like within like 2 days or 3 days it'll be gone, and then it'll be back like the next week on a Thursday at 5 p.m. So I'm gonna be using this dual product which I really like. This is the Brighten Up Essence. I'll just take 2 pumps of that and I'm just gonna put that on my dualer areas, which is like my forehead and here. On the opposite side, it's the Toner Essence. It's a little bit more liquidy than the Brighten Up. I'm looking here because I have no mirror. Don't judge the fudge. Simple. Going back to one of my older eye contour gel, which is just like eye cream, but it dries matte. I'm gonna use this because it's really good for during the day usage. Yeah, you could wear eye cream during the day as well. I like to do this and this. Always put eye cream on my neck. Always. Oh, okay, so maybe I should start talking about life, you know? By the time you're watching this, I have new hair. I need to get these extensions out. If you can't tell, they're growing out. They're like coming down to here so you can really see them, and it's like noticeable. It's so dead. It's taking forever to grow and my hair is very thin. You don't care, right? I know. Today, I'm gonna address all this shit. This shit right here. Excuse the lingo. I'm just like kind of sick of hearing it, so I just kind of want to address it. But first, let's conceal the eyes. I'm finally using Jen's makeup brushes. She gave them to me last summer, but like they're too pretty. I didn't want to use them. They're just so pretty. I didn't want to ruin them. I love when you put on that concealer and then you have eye boogers. Also, I'm gonna link them down below so you guys should check them out because they're so soft and they're just so pretty. I'm brightening up my under eyes right now because I look like shit. I guess I'm just like tired of hearing about it or like seeing it. Whenever I do anything related to scars or acne or anything like related to my acne. I guess it's kind of my fault for not making it clear in the first place. Look how bright my face is already. I'm gonna be trying this new cushion. Also, I bought like last summer. Totally like not new anymore, but it was so cute. Can you even see? I don't know, but it's just so cute. This might be a little bit too light for me. Ah, satisfaction. Ah, just love opening new cushion. And number 3, so Pink Sand. Very saturated. Just gonna put, ooh. Okay, that's all the product I'm gonna use today. I don't want to look washed out. That's the problem too. My face is so much lighter than my neck. In my like chest, TMI, in my belly. This needs to oxidize. Oh my god. My hair needs to dry. I'm gonna try this new palette that Urban Decay sent me. It is the BackTalk palette and it's like the new rave. On this side you have your cheek products and then on the opposite side you have your eyeshadows. It is a little bit bulky, but I feel like I'm gonna travel with this because you don't need to bring anything else. You just pop it, lock it, shock it, hock it. BackTalk. This color right here. I kind of want to do like a clean look. Anyways, addressing this whole thing, I did go to Korea to clear up my acne scars. But listen, Linda, not all of it went away. The IPL laser, which I got done for my entire face, you know, targeting the, you know, scars, that is more effective if you get it done routinely, repetitively, continuously. So to really remove all those scars, you have to continuously go back like every 2 weeks to get it removed. I only got it done once, which meant like, yeah, it did fade my scars, but it didn't completely remove them, like to the point where like flawless baby booty skin. So when I did my review on Banish, a lot of people were like, don't lie, Faye, you already got all your scars removed and your dark spots, blah blah blah. Which the only really true thing is this dark spot that I did get removed. I remember the little specks on my face, they really kind of just targeted my moles and the little like the little skin tags on my face, so the little bumps you would feel, but not necessarily all my scars. Yeah, I did use Banish to try to rid my scars, and I'm still using it. I actually have one more use. Remember, I have 2 of the rollers, so I've been saving one and then using the other. I'm taking attitude. People were saying, you know, Faye, don't lie. You got rid of all your scars in Korea. Why are you promoting this scar removing product? Well, that's my answer. I guess it was my fault for not directly saying that in the video. Now that my face healed from all of the, you know, the procedure, some scars are still there because again, you gotta get that done a lot of times for your skin to completely be free of scars. A lot of people are also saying that I went to Korea to get rid of my acne, which is not true. I only got steroid shots on these 2, but that was it. I didn't go to get like treatment to remove my acne, if that makes sense. Also, you guys are wondering if I'm using Curology anymore ever since, you know, I made the video to address whether I'm using that still. I'm not using it as much as I did before anymore. I'm now using it only when I feel like I need an emergency. I don't think it works in that way though, so I just kind of took a break from it just to see if my skin was going to relapse or not. It's been like a good, I don't know how many months now, but my skin has not relapsed. In fact, I think it gotten better. I have been using it less and less. The stronger my skin becomes, I figured it's nice to kind of let loose of using Curology just to, you know, train my skin not to depend on it. A more personal life update. I am going to be in New Jersey April 5th for a meet and greet at William Patterson University. It's my first time ever going to like a university setting. Oh, I know what to talk about. Ever since I did Shook and working with, you know, K-pop idols, a lot of you guys have been asking me, Faye, what in the world is your job? How do you get to work with all these idols? What do you do? I'm trying these Urban Decay 24/7 eyeliners. Ooh, wow, it's so creamy. Who would have thought? I mean, I guess there are many ways and many jobs that you can do to like work with idols. I am a YouTuber. I work YouTube as my full-time job, and that's how I get to work. Well, not how I get to work with idols, but this opportunity just happened to come. But on a more serious note, work in the industry, study something that has to do with media, entertainment. You most likely will have to minor in Korean if you really want to work with them. I'm not a professional in that field, so I don't want to give like false information. These lashes are actually, I've been saying they are gel wispies because I thought they were, but these are actually the Kiss ones. I'm just gonna use eyeliner to blend in the inner corners. I actually plan to go back to Korea maybe in summer and most likely fall, for sure fall. Morgan and I were kind of talking about maybe planning a trip there together again because we originally were gonna go in March, but then something didn't go through and you know, things happen. So you know what, I'm starting to realize, you know, how many good friends I've made off of YouTube, but maybe that's because I really don't have friends in person as well. I only hang out with my sister and my nieces, which they're like my best friends. Thing is, they can never turn their back on you because they're blood. Hourglass. They sent me their Arc Eyebrows collection. Ooh, this is real nice. When I bump into certain people that I, you know, like used to not know but know of, it's just awkward. And I think you can relate, right? It's just awkward. Like, honestly, it's so awkward. I don't know what to do myself. I just want to hide. And then to other people, that might come off really shady. But like, to me, I'm just nervous. Like, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to say. Hi. Okay, bye. I really like this color. What about you guys? And you know, the other day, I was talking to my sister how, like, you know, the people you grow up with, it's so different now. Okay, I think I know what's making me flake. The combination of using this in the morning with makeup, definitely a nighttime skincare product. I still do really like this product, just don't use it under makeup. The people you grow up with, even yourself, this person is suddenly like married and they have like X amount of kids, then this person is totally doing the opposite of, you know, what you thought they were gonna do or what they even thought they were gonna do. Or, you know, like this person is doing something that they said they would never do, and it's just like, so weird. That's coming from a very naive place though, because, you know, everyone grows up, they change, and you're supposed to change. It's weird in a good way. I was a very shy child, like a very shy child. I'm shy, but now, like, out of the people we grew up with, it's kind of like, but you're the one on camera all the time. Even though I'm in my rooms, I don't know if that counts. Like, I guess I go to more social events, but still, deep down, I am still very shy and introverted. And then you never would think that I would become a social, the word social, media person. I don't know. I love Jen's brushes. They're like really tiny, and I really like tiny brushes to put on my blush so I can control where the color goes. I like to put my blush right here on the outer part, and then I'm gonna take this color and put it right in the center of that color. I don't really like to highlight because I have like textured skin. Yeah, I don't really like to do highlight, so kind of don't know how to do it. I'm gonna put a little bit on my chin as well to make it pop a little. I miss my niece. She's in Japan right now for the study abroad thing. She'll be back home the day I'm home from LA. These are the Estee Lauder Pure Color Love. What? Look how pretty! Packaging goes, yes. They're so smooth. Oh my god, they glide on so perfectly. I'm gonna use a combo of colors. Actually, look at this. Oh my god, so cute. Getting carried away. Wait, I want to try this color too. Oh yeah. I think out of all these colors, I definitely like these two more. I'm gonna do my hair and then I'll be back. Wait, I lied. Okay, my hair's done. But then I wanted to try these new lip glosses sent by Urban Decay. The Hi-Fi Shine collection. I combined like all these colors and I feel like an alien. I just like put it right on top of the Estee Lauder colors. I'm just indecisive right now. So that's the final look. I know we went through a lot with the lip. Sometimes you gotta go through all that to find the perfect color. Am I right? Am I right? It's a little funky, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's Get Ready With Me. I like doing these once in a while, so let me know if you do by liking this video if you want to. Even got the nose piercing back. My nose is running off. I'm gonna go ahead and link all the products down below, so if you want to check them out, then definitely try them out. A lot of these makeup are actually new. Until next time, I'm sending love. Bye.